Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add the 250 and the 20 EMA on MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MT5 mobile app and make sure you are in chat. Okay. Now go to this icon here on the top center. Click on it and click on F plus. After that, click on moving average. Okay. Now, period, type 200. And here in method, make sure you choose exponential. Most likely you will find it here on simple. So choose exponential and choose the color you want. So for the 200, I will choose, for example, black. Okay. And here on 3 pixel, this is the width of the line. So I will choose 4 pixels. Okay, now click on save and let's go back to C. And this is our 200 moving average, as you can see here, this one. Now let's add the 50. Again, click on this icon here, click on F plus, go to moving average, and on period type 50. Make sure you are in exponential. Choose the color, so let's say green, for example, and choose the width of the line. So let's say 3 pixels and click on save. Let's go back. As you can see, this is the 50, this green line. Now let's add the 20. Click on the same icon, F plus again, go to moving average and type 20. I think that you get the idea. Here, make sure you are in exponential and choose any color you want. So let's say red. And I will keep it here on 3 pixels. Then click save. Let's go back. And as you can see, these are our moving averages. This is the 200. The green is the 50. And the red is the 20 EMA. And make sure you remember the color of each line. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.